show you guys how it looks. Okay, this one's good. Oh. Alright, so a little late night thought I had. I was thinking, what if I made a basketball jersey, but completely out of denim? And you know, I haven't done like a sewing project in about a couple weeks, maybe about 2 months, 1 month. I don't know, I just haven't, touched my sewing machine that much, and I really need to do something to get back into it. So I looked up denim jerseys just to see if, I'm creative or not. And so I found some, but none were close to the idea that I was thinking in my mind. So I think I'm going to commit to this project and actually complete it. And hopefully it turns out good. I don't even know, but this cereal is good for sure, bro. I'm probably not going to make a tutorial video. I'm just going to show you guys pretty much just how I did it. You can interpret it however you want to. So yeah, let's get on with it.
Hard for me sometimes to see the light inside my love. It's hard for me sometimes to see beyond all that they want.
Alright, so everything is now finished. Check this out. Bam. Bam. This is awesome. This is hands down probably my favorite sewing project yet. It took like 4 days to get done, but it was worth it. So I'm gonna try this on real quick. Show you guys how it looks. Oh shoot. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, this one's good. Oh my. So it looks pretty dope on me. The more I wear this, the more it's gonna look even better. Because there's some There's fraying, as you can see. If you're gonna be doing this, you're probably gonna have to make it like a size up. I don't even know, but you know, it was kind of hard putting in. But overall, just when it's on me, it feels good, it feels nice. But it looks good on me, and I'll show you guys how it looks in more detail. Let's go.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
Alright, so this is gonna bring us to the end of the video. You know I'm a die-hard Warriors fan, but you gotta rock Kobe sometimes, you know. But this is gonna bring us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys liked it. I know I didn't show too much into the steps behind it, but if you guys kind of figured out how it was, you know, good job. And if you guys decide to make one of these denim jerseys, tag me, DM me, show me what you did, because I'd love to see someone try to recreate this. But this is awesome. I now have a new jersey. This is only my second jersey ever, I believe. Second basketball jersey. This is really dope. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you liked what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.